In this guide, I'm going to show you how to redeem Google Play Point. Intro. Begin by opening up the Google Play Store and tap on your profile picture up in the top right corner. Scroll down a little bit on here and select Play Points. This is also in the U tab as well, so you can go ahead and select that, but it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this, and then you could select Play Points up at the very top. But you're going to want to use the Use tab to view the rewards that you currently do have available, or the Use tab. And you can exchange your points for Google Play credit, discount coupons, in-app, or in-game items, and certain partner rewards. Just select whatever reward you want, review how many points it costs and any extra conditions, and then tap Use Points to confirm. Now, coupons are normally applied automatically when you make eligible purchase. Google Play credit and most redeemed coupons expire after 1 year, and points used for in-app items generally can't be refunded. If a reward is grayed out, you do not currently have enough points to redeem it, but the process really is as simple as that, and it's taking so long to actually load these. So in my case, I'm going to back out and restart it. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.